It's a little breezy, so excuse the video. But I'm waiting on Izzy to get here, so I thought might as well throw a little bit. Such a beautiful creek. It's probably one of my favorite creeks. Water's extremely clear. Fish! Oh, lost him. I didn't set the hooker again. There's one. I think I got him. Woo, look at him jump. He may have had it a little bit longer than active. You are active, mister. You are. I love the fish in this creek. They are just phenomenal. And it's not heavily pressured, which is good. Thanks, buddy. I've got a big old heavy lunch box cooler, so I'm wondering how much I'm going to drag today. But you know, the water's up so high, I don't think we'll drag that much. I think we'll stay pretty good. I don't think we'll have to get out. See this nice big deep spot coming up. And then there's a turn where the people that are behind us here, they live on this creek, and they said that they'll probably spend 4 hours at this deep hole around the corner, which that's okay. It's a good spot to fish, but share alike. So much water to cover though, and we're going several miles. I almost want to put like a crankbait or something on, shallow crankbait, and just cover as much water as I can, and I may do that on my other rod. I've got a wacky rig set up on one of my rods. A lot more gravel here this year than there has been. Look at all those bait fish. It's nice that the water's up though. Man, we've been without water for a couple of years. No rain to speak of. When I come down to these areas, I have a tendency to get so excited about fishing that I don't take time to just enjoy it. You know, I'm either worried about getting done in time or you know, no, I've got to fish this spot up or whatever. Just if you just take time to look around and see these big cliffs that are overlooking the creek, it's just so beautiful. This is a good spot here. This is where those people are going to spend like several hours, so we're going to try to fish it real quick before they get down here. I think that's a largemouth. Oh, he broke me off. Just like that, I catch a fish, breaks me off. At least I got him in the boat. Yeah, looks like a largemouth. Let's get a stripe on him. Let's see what, I can't tell. Oh, that is a smallmouth.
There you go. On it, on it. He's on it. See?
Golly, they're just sitting there waiting on it.
Yeah. Look at wolf pack.
That's what it is. Boy, he's pulling. He's probably a decent one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Nice. Best one of the day.
Had to show Sean where they were.
He did. He did. There he goes.
There you go. Look at him.
Nice. Look at that.
Oh, that is a
That's a hoss. Oh, through the legs. Around the legs. He's a big guy. Holy cow.
There we go. Dude, that's a good one.
That's a good one. That is a good one.
How many inches is that?
I don't know. It's probably 15 or 16, don't you think?
I think so. We can find out if you want. I don't really care. Do you care?
I don't care. He's a hoss. I'll tell you that right now.
Like that. Or on their side.
That time I kind of pulled it like right to him and then just let it drift.
Dude, this is why
There's another one.
you come to this creek right here.
I gotta tighten my drag. I just let it fall right in the middle of it, and there they were. This one's not like the other one, but barely had him hooked.
Got him. Got a double on.
Double on, double up. smallies. He had that thing in the grass. I think that's a good one. Yes, it's a good one. Yes, it's a good one. Dude. A good one.
Huh?
Maybe my PB.
What?
Maybe my PB.
Uh-uh.
Yes, sir. Holy cow. That is a good one. That is. Look at that. I gotta get this situated here. Huh? Maybe not my PB, but it is a good one. His tail is messed up. Oh, his tail is messed up. He's 16 and a quarter, but he's thick. Yeah. Get him some air. He was in that grass right there. I haven't caught anything this big yet, so I was like, dude, this thing's big.
Nice. That's a chunk. Let's go back up and see if we can catch another one. What'd you get him on, Sean?
That big worm.
Got him.
Doubled up. Yours is bigger than mine.
Woo! Woo! Dang, dude, that is insane. This is a good fish. This is actually a really good fish. It's a stud here.
Mine's not. Mine's a dink.
There we go.
That's a good one.
Wow, they're fighting so hard today.
Oh, there's a bass. Oh, crit. I think I'm gonna need my pliers on this one. Got it. Biting me. You good. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Yeah, probably.
been fine fishing. It's not been like lights out, but it's been pretty good.
No, not lights out. But
Best we've had this year.
yeah. That's true. Oh, here comes some paddler. Finally, fish. Not very big, but it's a fish. Come on, got him hook cleared, I think. Largemouth. No, he's just a whittle guy. Wow, that is a big guy. Biggest of the day.
How much do you think he weighs? 3 pounds?
Yeah, probably. 19 inches, yeah.
Wow. That was awesome. You got one?
Yeah. He was way over there, swimming at me. I got a smallmouth. He's not bad.
No, that ain't bad at all.
I was thinking there should be some good-sized smallies in there. Oh, he's taking it. That's a good one. Come here. Good night. Woo! I caught your fish, I'm sorry.
Don't mind Sharon.
$14 3/4. But There's a bite. Got it. In the current. Woo!
Okay.
Well, that didn't take long.
Nope.
I thought there'd probably be a fish there. I saw those bait fish. That's a decent one there. Oh, wow.
That looks like a good one.
He's pulling like crazy. I saw those bait fish up there swimming around, and I thought that might be a good spot.
He was second at this, man.
This guy's got something wrong with his lip.
Yeah, he got a hook in it.
But no, the other side. It's like a fungus or something. There it goes. What is that?
Huh?
What is that? It looks like a huge obstruction over the water.
That's a curve really there.
I think it was straight before. That makes me nervous. Nice. Oh, crap. He's in the current. Gee, Merry Christmas. Wow. Nice little smallie. Yo, yo, yo. Good color. Yep. Oh, look, rock bass. That's my first rock bass today.
I haven't caught one.
Slow down, slow your roll. Slow your roll, buddy. Rock bass. Another rock bass. Rock bass? Nice. Big one. It's a good one. Oh, he spit it. I think I got a decent one. Got a decent one. He's fighting hard. Come here. Good night. He's got a spot on his side.
Biggest one we caught in a while.
Huh?
That's the biggest one we caught in a while. An hour or two.
Got one. Decent. Good one, buddy. Stop. Oops. I know. It's a minnow. Minnow rock bass. I saw him jumping over there or something. Ah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. See ya. Boop. I want to fish that. I said I want to fish that, but I'm too tired. I'm too tired. Nah. No, because if I fish it, I want to stay, and I'm ready to go. Nah, I'm tired. I'm tired. You fish it.